How to delete designs on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your designs on Canva. For that, you'll have to open your Canva application on your mobile device, and once you're on the home page, you will notice 5 different icons at the bottom of the screen. Here, click on the projects icon located next to the home icon. This will take you to the space where you can view all your creations and designs. Scroll down to find the design you wish to delete. Once you have located it, you will also notice 3 vertical dots next to each design. Click on them and a menu of options will appear. At the bottom of the menu, you will see Move to Trash option. Simply tap on it and wait for it to load. After a few seconds, immediately it will ask you if you are willing to undo this. If you change your mind, you can click on Undo. If not, leave it like that. And after a few seconds, it will get deleted. Now you can see the design has been deleted from your list. So in this way, you can delete your designs on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.